Hello and welcome to PMCLounge.com. Today we are talking about Kaizen and what should you know about this word as far as project management is concerned, as far as the PMP exam is concerned. Let's get started. So this is definitely a fancy term and it basically means improvement. This is a Japanese word which means improvement. Now, in the world of business, Kaizen refers to activities that continuously improve. Now, this is important. It refers to activities, okay, that continuously improve all functions. So this is first part, all functions, and involve employees. So these are the two parts. What is Kaizen improving here is the activities related to all functions and related to all the employees across the board, and be it the CEO or the assembly line worker, everyone need to improve when it comes to Kaizen. Now, it also applies to processes. So this is the third thing it applies to. We talked about functions, we talked about employees, and it also now applies to processes. So such as purchasing and logistics, these kind of processes that cross organizational boundaries into the supply chain. So when you are dealing with other organizations, when you're crossing the organizational boundaries into the supply chain management, that is when in those processes is where Kaizen can be applied. Now, the main aim of Kaizen is to eliminate waste. So what are you improving on, right? Kaizen means improving. What are you improving on? You are improving to eliminate waste. You are basically moving towards lean manufacturing, as lean as possible. Eliminate waste so that your process gets leaner. Now, we're talking about lean manufacturing here. How does all this apply to project management? We'll definitely come to it. So stay with us. Now, one important concept related to Kaizen is the Toyota way. Now, Kaizen was first practiced in Japanese businesses. Of course, it's a Japanese word, so it was practiced in Japanese businesses around World War One. Now, most notably as part of the Toyota way. So, the Toyota way is what introduced this Kaizen, the whole concept of Kaizen, right? And since then, it has spread throughout the world. Now, I know you might be wondering, what is this Toyota way? So, I'll talk about Toyota way, but know that you don't have to understand and remember this for your PMP exam. Of course, you can learn that Toyota was the one that introduced the world to Kaizen. So, Toyota Way is a set of principles and behaviors that underlie the Toyota Motor Corporation's managerial approach and production system. Toyota first summed up its philosophy, values, and manufacturing ideals in 2001. So, this is something that you can remember, calling it the Toyota Way 2001. So, like I said, you don't have to learn this, but the year is something you can remember, and you should understand that Toyota, the name of Toyota, is definitely associated with Kaizen. This is important from PMP exam perspective, PMP exam questions perspective. So what should you know about Kaizen when it comes to the PMP exam? Apart from the fact that it is a Japanese word and it is associated with Toyota. Well, the first thing is that in most of the project management texts, you will find Kaizen referred to as continuous improvement, not just improvement, but continuous improvement. And the other thing is the concept, it shows up in the quality management knowledge area, right? So this is a concept that you will find in the quality management knowledge area of project management, but it is basically a philosophy that guides the management. It is not a method of managing quality. Remember the managing quality process. By the way, first link in the description will take you to a related article on Kaizen over at our website pmclounge.com, and second link in the description will take you to the entire playlist of quality management knowledge area, and managing quality is one of the processes that we have already covered. So note that Kaizen is just a philosophy. It is not a method for managing quality in your quality management knowledge area. So this is something important that you should know as far as project management is concerned, as far as PMP exam is concerned. Question for the day. Can you share a real life project management example of Kaizen? How about lessons learned? Can that be related to Kaizen? Let me know in the comments. I'll definitely wait for your answer. That's all that we had in this video. Do hit the like button if you enjoyed it and got some value out of it. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified whenever we upload new content. And as always, don't forget to check out the website pmclounge.com, your number one free PMP resource. Thank you and have a nice day.